Today I show you what happens when you drop your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and you don't have a screen protector. This phone didn't have a screen protector when it was dropped, but it was in the case. But unfortunately, it fell on a rock exactly in that point on the screen where you see that crack. Everything started breaking from there. And to stop the screen from getting worse, we have a tape there, a piece of tape. The tape is there to be able to use the phone until the display is replaced or the phone is replaced, and you see all those little cracks. It fell from normal height, it wasn't going too far, but also there is another bigger problem, that the front camera is working, but the rear cameras are not working. And it just gets stuck like this. Sometimes it might show a camera error, but it's really just like, it feels like it's trying to click, it's trying to do something. It feels like it's vibrating in the hand sometimes, like this stabilization starts to work, but it doesn't work. If you drop your phone, you could try to replace the screen or even replace the cameras, or maybe I'm thinking it's just a problem with the cables on the cameras being disconnected, but most likely the cameras are damaged, the camera module, especially because the impact on the display was exactly where the cameras are, just behind the cameras. And the most important thing is that the phone is still working, so you really should move or at least copy all the videos and photos you have from your device. The phone is working now, but I don't know for how long it's gonna work. Because of the impact, anything could have been damaged on the main board, or the logic board, or even on the camera boards. I will open this phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I will open it and I will replace the display, maybe only the glass. But there is a problem. The actual display has a bit of damage. It's just a bit of a spot, a few dots where it shows a bit green. It's stuck, pixels are stuck there. But maybe it's gonna be okay like that to replace only the glass. A new display, original from Samsung, it's pretty expensive. I try to look for prices. The camera modules are also pretty expensive, so it might not be worth replacing the display and the cameras on a phone like this. S23 Ultra is not so new, so in these cases you might just change the phone really and use the phone like this as it is with the glass. I will put a screen protector on it to make it less scratchy. And now I'll show you how I connect the external SSD drive to copy these files. I already moved files from the phone. I wanted now to show you that this is the way to do it. So you select the folders you want to move, and then you move here. This is the T7 shield. That's the name is for me like that, but it could be different for you. Then you move the files, videos or photos, or even documents or downloads, anything that's valuable on your phone. You have to copy it or move it to an external SSD, then take this external SSD and check that the files are there. Especially it's better to do this on another device. Here I'm checking on the same device, but yeah, then I choose to unmount the device. It's always good to do a safe eject, safe removal. And now waiting for the light to turn off on the SSD. Now I can unplug the SSD and continue with the phone. I will not change the display yet because I don't have a display, and I'm thinking to first open it and see if the cameras are simply just a matter of plugging them back in. Maybe they are disconnected or something. I will try to find a display that is used or not the best quality, brand new, but the OEM quality, and I will replace this with the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. We will use the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V instead of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This one has a screen protector. The case didn't help the S23 Ultra, so yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.